Hello boys and girls, this is KD from KDFxacademy. In today's video I am going to share with you how I taken this 1:30 trades. As you can see from this area, price came to this area almost like 800 pips, but I closed it at the end 530 pips. That is almost like 1:30. As you can see, sell 0.34, almost 1768 pips, with a total account capital of 2000. Now let's start how we taken this trade. Here you can see we are just waiting for this candle to break and close below the 200 MA. Let's put our parameters. We will risk 3% for trade. You can see I'm just putting my stop loss very tight above the 633 MA. Whenever this candle closes below the 200 MA, I will just a little bit zoom. We will enter. Let's put pending order. Come on. Let's, yeah, okay. Yes, we are off one trade with risk of 3% and stop loss is 18.8 pips. When the price breaks the 200 MA. Here first target is like 1 hourly 0.2, but I will move my target to the 200 MA on 1 hour, which is 4 hourly 36 MA. You can see price is just moving. Come on. You can see price spikes a bit, but I was saved by pips, 4 or 3 pips almost. The gold is spiking a lot, but whenever the USD is going opposite to the gold, then it just moves down. Like now you can see we are almost like 1:6 time in the profit. And the trend line, a small line here, you can see there is our 1 to 10 target area. Then the next target is like where I draw the rectangle area, which is our like 1 hourly 0.2. Now let's see how it moves, hope it goes, because in this trade we can catch more. Why? Because it is the first 1 hourly 1 2 3 after the 4 hourly. So in this case 4 hourly is retracing. Our target will be 4 hourly retracement. We will milk the market in the retracement also. And where I am taking a trade on 1 minute time frame. So 1 minute time frame with the 4 hourly retracement, there is too much big space. We can quickly catch the profit and exit from the trade. If the trade does not work, I does not want to go to the 4 hourly 36 MA. But it is moving. Until it is moving, we will hold the trade unless I have not seen any reversal sign on M15 or 1 hourly. Mainly on M15. On 1 hourly reversal sign it will be late, because 1 hourly reversal I will wait on the daily combination with the lower time frame. In this we will wait for the M15 reversal signs to out from the trades. Let's wait. Trading is most important game of patience. It needs patience. When you have patience, it will phase you. If you do not have any patience, it will not phase you. Like you can see, price went for 1:6, but now again 1:3, 1:4 times. It is just more. But still we will wait, either to take the target areas or maybe it goes against us, but we will wait for our price and we will trade according our trading plan. we can also take a trade we will add another position, that is we call it as scaling entry. If we get in this case the 5 minute time frame 1 2 3 to be 36 EMA, but I won't expect the 5 minute time frame 1 2 3 because price is just moving very strongly, went down. But let's see how it goes. Here you can see the price start retracing on 5 minute time frame a little bit, went almost to the 40 pips. Again with 100 pips of profit, trade is running. Let's see how it moves. Let's wait and see. This is a small scalping day trading combination trade. Not only the day trading, not the scalping, it is a day trading and scalping combination trade, and we will turn it into a possible swing trade. Let's see how it moves. As you can see, trade is just running with 580 pips. We are almost like more than 1 ratio or 30. Our first target, which was the 4 hourly 36 EMA, has been reached. This is our first target. While here you can see on the 15 minute time frame, price reached 633 EMA, which is 4 hourly 36 EMA, and made a higher low, given a reversal sign. And we can also draw a trend line, a strong trend line coming with 4 touches. If the price breaks this trend line to the upside, we will just close the trade, but if it still starts going down, we will hold the trade to target the daily 36 EMA. In between we also this target area, 4 hourly support, and then this area. But first main target was reached. And again, whenever I stop the recording for sometimes we got a big M15 1 2 3s on which I was just saved again. It's not luck that you may say that this is luck, you saved 2 or 3 times. It is not a luck because I have rules for this. If there is a M15 1 2 3 1 hourly 1 2 3, I will move the stop loss above or below each M15 1 2 3s. Now I will just move the stop loss to the break-even area as price reaches to the target area, and also I will move the stop loss a little bit lower below the 1 hourly 36 EMA, because now USD starts going down, and also the gold is also in a downtrend. So for the gold to reverse, and it will just spikes too much without giving you too much space or time. That's why I am just moving it and waiting on M15 to break this trend line to either to the upside or to the downside. You can see on 2000, almost like 2000 account, we are almost like 1900 profit. Let's see. We are still waiting for the price on 1 minute time frame. See if the price breaks the 633 MA, which is in 1536 MA, we'll close the trade. $633 MA, and I just draw a rectangle line. It breaks this area. I will just move the stop and close the trade, all trade. The price is struggling at this area, not breaking 633 MA, now it is going to the downside. It is trading. In trading we need patience, in also when we take a trade and when our closing area has been reached, then again we need to wait for the trade so that we do not miss anything. Sometimes we get a reversal size, but it does not went like we expect, and we just closed in a small profit because we do not have a patience. So in trading, patience is really very important, either when waiting for a good setup and when you take a setup, then again waiting for that setup to be played. You see price is retesting another M15 candle has been filled, which is still white. Around the right, M15 another candle, either moving to the upside, not to the downside. You can see, like I told earlier, if it breaks to the upside, I will close. If it breaks to the downside, the same M15 candle, if it goes to the upside, I will just close. If it goes to the downside, I will leave the profit. Here you can see on the 1 minute time frame, price is just moving between 12 EMA and 633 EMA. Price in this area is only testing my patience, not it is testing 633 EMA and 12 EMA. It is just testing my patience so that I can close the trade early, but I will not. You can see price is still stuck in that area, not moving to the upside, not to the downside. I will just make the video short by speeding it. Price is stuck, not moving to that area. To break the 633 minute, it just moving below the 36 EMA. Now the trade is becoming exhausting. M15 not good. Just closing about the previous M15 candle highs, then we will close it. One hour we are close to the 12 EMA. It is again close to the 633 EMA. Come on. Come on. Break it to the upside or to the move to push to the downside so that I am out from this trade. Come on. Again touch the 633 and again going downside. Price touch 33 and just bounces, but USD index is very strongly moving to the downside. That's why it is also cannot move. Let's move our stop loss to that area so that I am now tension free in this trade. Move a little bit to the downside. Come on to the downside, move. Either if it goes to the downside, we will still incorporate in the trade, or it close it, no problem, because it is very now stress making trade. At the end it becomes a stressful trade. Price again bounces from 633 May. See, price retested 633 May 3 times but did not continue to the downside. Now this time it will just goes against me and close our position. The profit 1:30. Come on, yeah, you see. Let's hope you understand. This is our trade. One trade with 1:30. See, price reached almost like 800 pips, but at the end we just closed at 500 pips. So this is like a management. 2000 account has been reached now 4000. 3% risk, 1:30. That's almost like 90 times growth.